To get started on the rear brakes, it's going to be a 19 millimeter to take off the tire. Next, go ahead and remove the tire.
I started seeing how you could just be doing this, and then when your time come, you been on.
It's going to be a T45. Next, go ahead and start unbolting the caliper. It's going to be the top and bottom. They're not even, like they're losing tread depth, you know what I'm saying? I'd say I'm more than a handful of people that I still talk to, but as far as like, how many people? Next, go ahead and remove this retainer clip using a screwdriver or flathead. I just want to make sure that
Stretched out or anything? I got two of them.
No, they don't stretch out. Wait, let me see. Yeah, no, those don't stretch out. It's all good. Yeah, bro, sometimes them niggas over there don't know what the fuck they talking about.
So I was literally telling them, dang, that's online. I just need that. Okay, bet, I got you. Online seemed like it was cheaper. This gonna help him with the install. That shit, okay.
Next, we're gonna be removing the caliper bracket using the 13 millimeter. Huh? Instead of coming to you, I'm like, yeah, but
Fine thing going on. It's that's what I started learning. It's endless opportunity to learn some shit.
I mean, in the meantime.
Niggas don't be having shit. That's something I started learning. Alright. I only met her. It was only for 6 months. It fucked me up in the head. Yeah, man, I flipped my.
Good times though.
Yeah.
But hey, you gotta look at it.
Oh no, not that video, not that video. I was talking about like I got, you have to beat this car off because I got this illegal.
Oh yeah.
African basically a situation. My homeboy mother put us on like, hey, blah say blah. I got some girls that could, blah say do this, do that. They just want they sense and shit. I was like, really?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see some of them, all that shit, and it was like, I understand being a young man. I mean, being a young adult.
Mm-hmm.
It was the wrong situation because she was a good actress. She like this and I can't even my name and shit. I'm gonna all that stuff.
Yeah.
I finally met her. He was like, when I told him the situation, I got married, I'm getting divorced. They was like, what the fuck? I made a turn to try to get in the other little lane. That whole it is curve. That's what I tried to get off the curve.
Alright.
That was a
Alright, from here, I'll be retracting the piston using the caliper tool. It grips onto the piston and it spins it clockwise while pushing downwards.
Women, moms. But then my neighbors, a single dad, I think they just shook us on some shit, And then my two neighbors.
Because we ain't about to be, once we hotboxing, there's no hardcore drugs.
Oh God, bro, we just chilling. Alright, where's my laptop? Alright, it obviously goes on like that. I'd say maybe the hardest one I've had to do is
Weekend, I didn't start, and he took it so when they said electrical problem, he's like,
am I just twisting? Okay.
I know the front ones, the rotor, they just need to be changed. I was trying to see how much you do that one.
50.
Huh?
50. After removing your lug nut and making sure everything else is tight, don't forget to reinstall your retainer clip. Do the same thing to the other side and you're all done.